This will be an unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a, as you can see. Now I want to give a special shout out to Google at Made by Google and hashtag teampixel, as you can see, for sending this over. So let's dive right in. All right, here we go. Here's the packaging. G logo there, Google logo, Pixel 4a, picture of the device, Google, and the side profile of the phone. Hashtag teampixel. And then let's see here, some stuff on the bottom of the box and another logo here on top. Now this is pretty cool because you don't really need a knife. Let's get in here and as you can see, got a little down arrow. So I'm just gonna grab it and just do that and do the same thing on the other side. All right, here we go. Put that to the side and then let's just dive into it. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everyone's staying safe out there, staying away from the virus. And here's the device, as you can see, in the just black colorway. Ooh, I gotta say, this is a very nice looking black. Love that, love the matte finish. We'll put that to the side for now, and then let's see what's in the box. Got some documentation here. Gonna pull it out. That's what she said, and then just documentation. Now, what is this? All right, Google, nice blue color here. And then what does that say at the very bottom? Just some numbers. Screenshot that if you want. And then on the back, in Spanish. Throw that to the side and some documentation here. Throw that to the side. And then this is your SIM ejector tool with some instructions there on how to use it. Throw that to the side. And then what is this? Just a little plastic, and then this is the charging brick. Pretty cool. And then here we have your USB charging cable. Is it C to C? Yup, USB C to C, as you can see. And then this is your little adapter here to transfer stuff from your other device, perhaps an older Pixel, to this new 4a. Throw all that to the side, and then this is the phone. Ooh, I'm digging this matte black right here. Let's see. Nice and easy on the plastic. Yeah, look at that. Love that. No fingerprints. Very nice. As you can see, you have a white, or it's not white, it actually has a little bit of like a mint green to it. Very subtle hue of like green on the power button. It's not a pure white. I'm gonna compare it to this so you can see the difference right there. Turn it on. Here we go. You do have a hole punch camera right there on the upper left. This is a, what is it now? A 5.8-inch display. It's OLED though, so that's good. 60 hertz on the refresh rate, so no fancy 90 or 120 on this. Remember, this is a $349 phone, so keep that in mind. Feels really good, actually. Nice and light. Something refreshing about this phone, actually. Phones nowadays are getting super expensive, $1,000 plus, $1,300, etc. This one is $350, and it just sticks with the basics. I don't know, I like it. Fingerprint scanner in the back, so you can see right there. Got your dual cameras, or actually just one camera, sorry about that. One camera and your flash right there in that little area. On the bottom, USB Type-C, you have speaker grills. I think only one is a speaker. And then let's see here, up top you have your like earpiece right there. And then this side is totally clean, or take that back, this is your SIM tray right there. And then on this side, you have the off-white, mint greeny kind of power button, volume rocker. On top you have a mic, and then this phone does in fact have a headphone jack. Very nice to see in 2020. Love that right there. But yeah, nice and lightweight. I don't know, man, I'm digging this matte black. That looks clean. Clean AF and no fingerprints. Google logo right there, fingerprint scanner. All right, let's just get into this. Gonna press start and then connect to Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna see all Wi-Fi networks. Whoop, there it is. Gonna type in my password. Checking for updates. This may take a few minutes. All right, so how long is this gonna take? A couple seconds or 5 minutes? Here we go, copy apps and data. I'm not gonna copy anything. I wanna start fresh, factory fresh. And then here we go, we're gonna skip this Google stuff for now. I'll log in later, but whoops, skip. Just wanna get into the phone real quick. I'm gonna test out the camera because that is one of the best features of this phone. For the price, $349. Well, definitely go check that out, accept the legal terms, I suppose. Screen lock, we're gonna skip all this stuff. Skip. And then all the following apps. What do we have? We have Google Docs, Google Duo, Google Home. Let's see, what are we gonna keep here? You know what? I'm gonna skip all that for now. I'll add that later. And then next, go home, switch apps. Next, get a little bit of a how-to, go back. Yup. Ask Google Assistant. So you can see, next. A little bit of sound effect there, so you heard. All set. You're ready to start using your phone. And it says swipe up to get started. I'm gonna do just that. Welcome to your new Pixel. And we are in! This is a 5.81 inch display. Back here is a 12 megapixel camera. Can record up to 2160p. 6 gigs of RAM on this one. Snapdragon 730G. 3100 or 3140 mAh on the battery size. And that's pretty much it. But I really want to get into the camera of this phone. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the camera so you can see. And then what is this? I'm gonna deny on the location just cause privacy and stuff like that. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of whatever I got in front of me and take a picture of this Pixel. So let's go ahead and check that out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and head out, take some other pictures. Give me a second. Alright, this is just a quick video of the Pixel 4a, 4K resolution, 30 frames per second. As you can see, just out here taking a video of plants and stuff. There's some rocks right here so you can see, some pebbles. So yeah, just let me know the quality real quick. Just a quick little video here. How does the audio sound? So it's not that much wind out here. Pretty calm day, so nothing too crazy. Just a quick little video. Let me know the quality. It's pretty bright out, so the camera should have plenty of light to work with. So you can see. Remember, this phone is $350, so not a bad price in my opinion for what you get. So there you go. We'll do a real quick size comparison. This is the 3A from last year. Very good buy, in my opinion. And then here we go. The 3A is the bigger device. This is the 3A XL. And there is no 4A XL. They're just sticking with the 4A. One size, one color, and that's it. And then this is the Premium 4. Pixel 4. Have a quick look. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Pixel 4a. Speed tests or a camera test between Pixel 3a or even the Pixel 4, any iPhone, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.